Dad and Finn are drawing constellations, but I'm looking at a site called FaceFail, where they make your face look funny. Look, Dad, can I upload my photo? If it's really funny, I could be a FaceFail star on their homepage.
It says here that once you upload your photo, the owners of FaceFail can do whatever they want with your image.
I don't mind.
Well, what if they used your funny face on a big sign that says, "I love bananas"?
Oh, but I think bananas are yucky.
But if they use your face on the sign, everyone will believe that you think bananas are yummy. You need to decide if it's a good idea to upload your photo, if someone else can do whatever they want with it.
Whatever they want with it? I wonder if this kind of thing ever happens in Gizmo. Mo, go, Gizmo!
Oh, look at me.
Hi, Mayor Garth. What are you up to?
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. I'm practicing looking important, as it's time I had a new mayoral portrait painted.
Huh? What's wrong with the one you have?
I just feel that I could look even more sensible and intelligent in a new one, so that everyone in Gizmo can see that I take my job as mayor very seriously.
Ooh, you do look ever so serious.
I do, don't I? Now all I have to do is find the best artist in Gizmo. Oh, yuck. I forgot how much I dislike Giznanas. Thankfully, Ooly birds love them. I'll leave this here for one.
He doesn't like Giznanas, eh?
And he wants a portrait painted to look all important? We can mess with it and make him look like an ooly-fooly in front of everyone.
Well, I feel some trollerific mischief coming on.
Anyone in there looking for their portrait to be painted?
Oh, it's you, Glove. I didn't realize you were an artist.
Not an artist, the best artist in Gizmo.
Who says you're the best artist in Gizmo?
I do, but don't take my words for it.
I am the town crier, sayer of news in Gizmo. It has been decreed that Glump is officially the bestie artist in all of Gizmo. I mean, look at this.
Oh, wow. That's proof enough for me.
Help me take this one down. I'll use it.
Oh, aren't you painting a new one?
Why create a new one when this one can be upcycled?
And that means I can have it even sooner?
And look more sensible and intelligent quicker. But before I begin, you must agree that I can do whatever I want with your new portrait once it's done.
Wait, Mayor Garth, what if he uses your image?
Those are the trolls and conditions that I, the greatest artist in Gizmo, demand of all my sitters. A print and burp here, please, to seal the deal.
Well... Burp?
It's portrait time!
Uh-oh.
The portrait is now complete.
Ooh, can I see it?
Not until the big unveiling.
Big unveiling?
Oh, yes. With a new portrait as good as this, we should show it off to everyone in Gizmo at the same time.
Oh, what an ooly-tastic idea.
Mayor Garth, I really think you should have had a look at the painting before...
I call this Portrait of Mayor Giznanahead.
Wait, that's not a new portrait. You've just painted a yucky Giznana on my head. I don't look serious. I just look silly.